Welcome back. We will complete our topic about weather. In the last video, we talked about what is the meaning of weather and how could we detect it. Today, we will talk about air pressure, air masses and their types, fronts and their types, types of severe weather, and finally, how do we protect ourselves from severe weather. Our second lesson will be weather patterns. As we know, air composed of molecules that are in continuous movement, so air pressure is the weight of the molecules. We have two types of air pressure. The first type will be high pressure system. It contains large number of molecules, so we can define it as a large body of circulating air with high pressure at its center and low pressure outside it. We can predict the weather. It will be fair weather with clear skies. The second type of air pressure will be low pressure system. It will contain less number of molecules, so it's a large body of air with low pressure at its center and high pressure outside it. The weather will be cloudy. Usually air moves from high pressure to low pressure. The second outline is air masses. From the name, air masses are large bodies of air with distinct temperature and moisture characteristics, so it will contain the amount of water at the same temperature. Okay, when a large high pressure system covers an area for several days with the characteristic of high pressure, we can call it air mass. We have 5 types of air masses. Every type takes the name and characteristic of the area that covers it. Types of air masses will be Arctic air masses cover Arctic and Siberia. The air will be cold and dry. Second type, continental polar air masses cover lands. The air will be cold and dry in winter and it will be cool in summer. Maritime polar air masses cover Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. The word maritime means water. The air will be cold and bring cloudy and rainy weather. Continental tropical air masses cover desert lands. The air will be hot and it forms only during the summer. Maritime tropical air masses cover Gulf of Mexico, Caribbean Sea, and Eastern Pacific Ocean. The air will be hot and humid in summer. In winter, it will bring heavy snow. So now we talk what is the air pressure and its type, air masses and its types. France is the boundary between two air masses. We have 4 types. First one, cold front. Look at the photo. Cold air mass moves towards warm air mass. The weather will be cloudy and rainy. Thunderstorms can form. Warm fronts. Warm air mass move towards cold air mass, as observed in the photo. Weather can rain or snow for several hours or days. Third type will be stationary front. Stationary front, look at the photo. When warm air and cold air approach from each other, then stop. Weather will be cloudy and only light rain. Occluded front. Cold front catches up warm front. So, cold front catches up warm front, as observed here. The weather will bring precipitation. So, front is the boundary between air masses. We have 4 types: cold fronts, warm fronts, stationary fronts, and finally occluded front. weather mean bad weather. Can form natural disasters. Today we will take 4 types of these disasters. In every type you should know the name and how it forms. First one will be thunderstorms, also known as electrical storms because of their lightning. Thunderstorms and electrical storms. How they form? They pass with 3 stages. First stage will be cumulus stage. From the name, the cumulus cloud will form. Updrafts occur. What is the meaning of updrafts? Look at the photo. Updraft, the air that move up, and downdraft, the air that move down. So, in the first stage, clouds and updrafts form. Second stage will be mature stage. Mature stage, heavy winds, rain, and lightning occur. Last stage will be dissipation. After 30 minutes from reaching mature stage, updrafts, winds, lightning, and precipitation stop. So, how thunderstorms form?